Alright guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm outside for the first time with the new build, the new Varg, the Varg 2.0, and the results, it's this. Of course, the first thing you see is the graphics kit. Super clean, designed by Bold Designs. My friend Supermoto is the one who designed the kit. I just sent him a picture I can show you up here. I just made something simple and told him do something like this but add your style to it. And so we did. So here's the maxed out graphics kit. I still have the Varg logos, black, original last year, original plastics, and then everything else I went just chrome and white. So right now is the worst weather, but you can see it's reflecting a lot even in this weather. Just imagine when the sun hits and it will just shine. I also added the glitter. I don't know if you can see it. See here you see the glitter. So that looks fire. When the sun is out, the glitter pops like crazy. I also got a carbon fiber for the swing arm on both sides. Added a little bit of details here I cut out from extra graphics kits I got for the frame too. Same on the other side. Got the signature here. Got a signature on my forks. Yeah, and you can see the handlebars. They're now matching. Both got the Accusato. I'm waiting for new grips are coming actually. So it's a lot more cleaner look right now on the handlebars. And the stop feels like crazy right now. I can't stop it, but as soon as I press it, the rear wheel just lifts up. Shout out to Bold Designs. First of all, I bought pretty much everything for this bike from Bold Designs, except the seat cover and the shifter that's broken, and I did a little cheap repair here, just put a bolt through. I bought of course the graphics is from Bold Designs. This one I had before. I bought this rear brake on the handlebars. It's from Bold Designs. Here's the rear brake. Also got the adapter for both of them. This front brake, Accusato. It's actually bought it from my friend Elias, but he bought it from Bold Designs before that. The SM Pro Platinum wheels I got, but I bought them through Bold Designs too. And then I put on a 50/50 wheel graphic here. DP Motors design, they've actually released it now. So if you want the same wheels as me, go check them out. I got the carbon fiber on the forks, on the engine cover, on the swing arm, but that's from CMT, an Italian brand I think it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it, so it's not too much of a build I did. It's been like throughout the year since I bought it. The parts I put on this bike have cost me over 200,000 Swedish crowns, so it's like $20,000 I think. So it's an expensive as bike, but it's so much fun, so I think it's worth it. Now by their charger they just released recently, where you can charge your bike on like stations where you charge your cars, electric cars and shit. You can bring it in a backpack or something. It's like a size of a book. Oh, look at this house. House burnt down a couple of days ago. My new build on the bike was so fire that the house nearby burnt down. I've been on this thing for a month and I can feel it. Holy shit, I'm rusty. And it got new settings now, so I need to get used to that too. Got the upgraded front brake system, so I might practice on some stoppies this year. It's like the scariest trick you can practice, because if you do come over balance point, on the front wheel you have nothing to save yourself, so you're going down. Just going straight, the bike just wants to fall to the left, so it's heavy to the left. I believe it's because of the brake disc, because it's so much bigger, and it's a 3, I think it's a 320, it's not bigger even. So it has a lot more weight on it than the OEM. And same with the caliper, this one also weighs a lot more. So the bike just wants to go to the left all the time. And the wheel does not spin as good as it did. And doing stunts is much harder when the bike just wants to fall to the left.
I'm so afraid that you'll run out of patience. Trust me, I know how it feels to be hopelessly waiting. Sometimes I don't know if I can even change, but I'm still trying. So I'm sorry.
Say hey to YouTube guys.
Then you might have to see I'm not promised. I promise that I'm facing my problems. If I'm falling too fast, will you catch me? Will you catch me before I crash?
Show this cup batch.
Har du kommit YouTube eller?
Ja, jag gör det.
Ja, vad kostar den här?
För mycket.
60 eller 80?
80 hästars. Precis byggt om den. Måste vara här och ta lite bilder för att kunna posta sen. Kör du själv eller?
Ja, jag har stora.
Man kan ju köra dem lagliga ju.
Kan du köra bak det?
Ja. Vill du se? Wow! Whoa! What a way to start the day. Already seen a cop. Don't put on the license plate or anything. Last time I was here, you know how it ended. Vad är det som händer här då?
Lucia.
Vad är alla vi hojar jobbiga mot er nu då?
Nej, det är så länge ni håller utanför avspärrningen.
Ja. Men det är lite det som är nice. Att det ser så jävla low-key ut. Yes.
Do you know where the entrance is to the...
Oh,
For what? The Kunsthafen.
it's down there.
Downstairs.
Ah,
So one step down. I think
Okay.
the entrance is.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.